So I'm discussing topic about that, how to integrate WordPress to Google Analytics. So I'm creating for AdWords ads. So a lot of people will be confused how to link with the AdWords to Analytics. Just here, the option call is I can log in with google.com/AdWords. Click for sign in. So I can show the link how to will be AdWords to Analytics. Just here, open your Google Analytics. Now click for sign in. The option call is Analytics. Now I'm logging with your AdWords here. This is called Analytics. Now just go to the AdWords. The option call is setting. The option call is setting. In the option call is linked accounts. Setting. The option call is linked account. Why we can link with AdWords to Analytics? For easy tracking for report purpose. Easy tracking for report purpose. Now is what is that? Google Analytics. Click for details. Now, which website are you working for ads? Just what the option call is. Click with the link. So they easily tracking your report by the Google Analytics. So yeah. So right now I'm not adding any ads. Just purpose I show by how to link with the AdWords to Google Analytics. Suppose I'm running for this website. Welcome back. Simple one. Click for link. I'm already clicked with this link already. So what the option call is? Click with the link. What the option call is one more website. Is a link. Is all. So these are nothing but integration. AdWords to Google Analytics integration.